Ayan, sige na. Galaw. Trito.
We will now continue the ceremony. Now today at the Philippine Consulate General in Dubai, of your own free will, in my presence and the presence of the witnesses gathered here, say I do if you give your consent to this marital union. I will first ask the groom. Michael, do you take your bride, Meryl Ann, as your lawfully wedded wife and bind yourself forever in her love and service?
I do.
I will now ask the bride. Meryl Ann, do you take your groom Michael as your lawfully wedded husband and bind yourself forever in his love and service?
I do.
May I ask all the people present here today to help the newlyweds with prayers and accept them as new couples in our community. At this point, Michael, I would like to request you to please produce the rings. Michael, as you place the ring onto your bride's finger, please say to her, repeat after me, wear this ring
Wear this ring
as a symbol of my love
as a symbol of my love
and fidelity.
and fidelity.
Now, Meryl Ann, please take the ring for your groom, and as you place the ring onto his finger, please say to him, repeat after me, wear this ring
Wear this ring
as a symbol of my love
as a symbol of my love
and fidelity.
and fidelity.
Now, Michael and Meryl Ann, together, please say to each other, repeat after me, from this day forward,
From this day forward,
we shall be one heart
we shall be one heart
and one soul,
and one soul,
for better or for worse,
for better and for worse,
for richer or for poorer,
for richer and for poorer,
in sickness or in health,
in sickness or in health,
until death do us part.
till death do us apart.
Now therefore, by the power vested upon me by the laws of the Republic of the Philippines, as Vice Consul of the Philippine Consulate General in Dubai, I now pronounce you husband and wife. Michael, you may now kiss your very beautiful bride.
Picture mo. Video.
Bago po kayo, do you swear to take this marriage as a special contract of permanent union for the establishment and of conjugal and family life?
We do.
Do you swear to oblige yourselves to live together, observe mutual love, respect, and fidelity, and render mutual help and support?
We do.
Do you swear that you are qualified to enter into this contract of marriage?
We do.
Do you swear that you are entering into this contract of marriage voluntarily?
We do.
Do you swear to abide by the laws of the Philippines on marriage and family life?
We do.
Thank you very much, Paul, brides and grooms. For now, you may take your seats.
Ay, Yan. Sige, go. Let's go. Masyado magkaan. Huwag mo nang gumalaw. Kasi, ayan na, galaw na kayo. Ayan. Na talaga.
Thank you. Thank you.
Wow!
Sige, salamat daw.
Di! Ayaw nga!
Sige.
Tukas bala! Tarararan! Taran! Congratulations! Mayor!
This man.
Mayor yan.
Mayor ng ano to.
Si Mayor Biko. Si Mayor Suman yan. Mayor Suman.
Yan, saman, lolo.